Here are my ingredients. I have the coconut oil with the carrot. I'll show you the procedure. I have olive oil with the carrots. I have ginger and onions for the airbrain range. Then I have the avocado. I will be cutting it, and this is my blender. We use it blending this. So come with me as I begin to peel the carrots and show you the process. Thank you. Boiled for 10 minutes, so we are going to just open it up. So just drill. You can see this one is more yellowish. Just keep drilling till the oil is out from it. Then you can store and continue to use this one. Coconut oil, you can use it. All these products are for my hair. You can also use it to cook. You can use it to rub for your skin. It's very, very good. This coconut and the olive oil, carrot oil is very good. So as you can see, you see the level we have now. Very good. Keep drilling like this, and we are free, good to go. Okay, so now we'll be putting it in a container.